Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we will explore Tempus AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.17. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 18.59% since we first identified Tempus AI as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.69% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is evident, which could very well signal an early shift in trend. Upon reaction, support will emerge at the upper boundary of the currently broken trend, which is at $46.47. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on a potential rise. According to fan theory, $66.13 may represent the next possible peak level, acting as a resistance point that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of 34.3% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 70.03% to negative 48.04%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI includes the headline, Significant movements in Tempus AI Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, changing by 20.71% between high and low. The Tempus AI Incorporated stock price increased by 12.59% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, rising from $52.19 to $58.76. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 20.71%, from a low of $48.71 to a high of $58.80. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.59% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical signal, with a total of 19 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 29 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $91.45, while the lowest was $22.89. Currently, the price is 35.75%, or $32.69, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI Inc., trading under the symbol TEM, has reported strong financial results for the first quarter of 2025, showcasing a remarkable 75.4% increase in revenue year over year, reaching $255,700,000. The quarterly gross profit surged by nearly 100%, improving the company's gross margins across its genomics and data services segments. This impressive financial performance has contributed to a renewed focus on Tempus's AI-driven platform, highlighted in recent analyst commentary from JP Morgan, which maintains a neutral rating with a target price of $55. In addition to its financial results, Tempus continues to innovate within the healthcare space. The launch of its AI-powered clinical assistant, NoteTaker, aims to enhance psychiatric care by streamlining the documentation process for healthcare providers. Furthermore, the company is expanding its support for Phase 1 clinical trials through its TIME network, potentially accelerating patient recruitment and shortening the timeline for new therapies. These developments not only bolster Tempus's position in the burgeoning AI healthcare sector, but also foster investor confidence. In the short term, strong earnings reports and strategic innovations can drive stock price appreciation as investor sentiment remains positive. In the long term, the company's commitment to advancing precision medicine and expanding its product offerings positions it well for sustained growth, further solidifying its market presence in a highly competitive landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that BTIG also rated TEM with a buy grade, accompanied by an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, Morgan Stanley reported giving TEM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade along with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, Needham reported giving TEM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. The chart today reflects mostly positive signals. The stock of Tempus AI, Inc. presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should corrections occur, support will be found at $54.27 and $48.56. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 57.83%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 124 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $55.30 and $52.73. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In the case of Tempus AI Inc., if the support at $55.30 is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $52.73 and $49.55. This stock has the potential for significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and, with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $10.09 between its high and low, which represents a percentage change of 20.71%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.98%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly address some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may hint at insufficient profitability and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 19 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $59.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI encounters its first support level at $55.30. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of May, 2025, Epstein, David R., conducted an insider sale of 370 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of February, 2025, Rogers James William conducted an insider purchase of 4,372 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of February, 2025, Polovin Andrew conducted an insider purchase of 5,334 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of February, 2025, Phelps Eric conducted an insider purchase of 5,334 shares of Class A common stock. On the 29th of April, 2025, Bartolucci Ryan M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 17 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.431. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 24,412 shares and sold 54,908 shares in these last 17 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $55.54, representing a decline of 5.48%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 20 days ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in momentum. We believe that prices near the breakout point will present particularly favorable levels, while the current price may also serve as a viable short-term buying opportunity. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis for this stock from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we anticipate that Tempus AI will open lower by $3.34, starting at $55.42. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. From all of us here at StockInvest.